What is PadSplit? PadSplit is a housing platform that offers affordable room rentals by the week, making it an attractive choice for both property owners and renters. How can property owners benefit from PadSplit? Property owners can benefit from PadSplit by increasing their rental income by converting their properties into individual rooms, having a steady stream of income from reliable, long-term tenants, avoiding the hassle of managing individual leases and tenant screening. How can renters benefit from PadSplit? Renters can benefit from PadSplit by finding affordable, furnished rooms for rent on a flexible weekly basis, not having to worry about utilities, Wi-Fi, or laundry access, as these are all included in the weekly rent, avoiding the need for a long-term lease or a high credit score. Hope you found this to be helpful. If you're interested in PadSplit, click the link in my bio. Thanks for watching. Please like and share.